The moment I saw the iPhone 17e, one thing became clear. Apple isn't just launching another budget phone. They're sending a warning to every Android brand competing in the $600 market. This device is entering quietly, but it could dominate 2026. Before we dive in, welcome to Technology in the Future. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the biggest tech updates. Now let's break down why the iPhone 17e might be Apple's smartest move yet. Apple's new strategy. Here's what Apple understands better than anyone. Most people don't buy iPhones because they want the most powerful device. They buy them for iOS, iMessage, and the ecosystem they've been using for years. That's where the new E-series comes in, a more affordable way to stay inside the Apple world without feeling outdated. And the 17e pushes that strategy even further. A modern design, finally, according to the latest leaks, Apple may finally move away from the old notch. The dynamic island could arrive on the 17e, the same design used on premium models. If that happens, the phone instantly looks modern. No more budget iPhone feel. Just a clean, premium look at a lower price. Camera. Simple but powerful. On the back, Apple is sticking with a single camera. But don't underestimate it. Leaks suggest a 48 megapixels main sensor with improved image processing. That means better night photos, sharper details, cleaner portraits, one lens, but finally taken seriously. On the front, rumors point to a new upgraded selfie camera, possibly with center stage support for FaceTime and social apps. Clearly, Apple knows this phone is aimed at students, creators, and everyday users. Performance and Apple Intelligence. Inside, the iPhone 17e is expected to run a slightly toned-down version of the Apple A19 chip. It won't match the Pro models, but it will deliver smooth performance, long-term software updates, and support for Apple Intelligence. If true, this could become the cheapest Apple Intelligence device available. RAM is expected at 8 GB, with storage starting at 128 GB. Display, battery and MagSafe. The display will likely stay at 6.1 inches, sharp and bright, but still 60 Hz instead of 120 Hz. One big upgrade this year? MagSafe support. That means faster wireless charging, better accessories, and easier daily use. Battery capacity is rumored around 4,000 mAh, paired with a more efficient chip and a new C1X modem for stronger 5G and all-day battery life. The one big question. There's still one major unknown. Will Apple actually include Dynamic Island, or reuse the old notch design? If it launches with the notch at around $599, the reaction could be rough. But if Dynamic Island makes the cut, this could become the strongest budget iPhone Apple has ever made. The iPhone 17e is shaping up to be a powerful mid-range upgrade, modern design, faster chip, better camera, MagSafe, improved 5G, Apple Intelligence support. If the price stays around $599, this phone could dominate the mid-range market instantly. So what do you think? Would you buy the iPhone 17e, or would you go for a Pro model instead? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. More exciting tech updates are coming soon.